is there's an attack. There's an attack, and the attack is on us. The attack is on us men. We're being attacked, and the attack is physical, yes, of course, but it's mostly mental and spiritual. Yes, so the attack is mostly mental and spiritual, and it's an overwhelming feeling of underachieving, of not being appreciated, of not being respected, of not being or not feeling as someone, like someone that matters and that truly has a meaning and truly has a hope. And that's the attack I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing it on social media. I'm seeing it in close friends. I'm seeing it around a lot of people. But what I can say, my advice that I can give, keep your head up. And if you know you're working, continue to work. And if you're not working, keep your head up, pick yourself up, and take one step at a time. Just take that one step at a time. And it's guaranteed, it literally is guaranteed that you will be appreciated in it, and you will be respected. You will feel respected. You will feel like you matter. And why you feel like you matter? Not because the time has passed, but because you've been doing the work while the time passed. But there's a difference. There's a difference between just sitting down and letting the time by, and letting the time go by. And there's a difference between working during that time, and then the time goes by. Home. So you just really, 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 truly need to just keep working. Just keep working. Put aside your feelings, the feeling of being happy. Put aside the feeling of pleasure. Put aside going to parties, going to clubs. Put aside being just like everybody else. Be yourself. Once you be yourself, you automatically put yourself up to the equation of being like everybody else. Because there's only one you. There's only one T-Shawn that's born in Antigua. That's 22 years old right now as of this time. And there's only one you. That born wherever you're born at some particular time in some kind of country. Regardless if somebody may look like you, regardless if somebody may be the same height, same weight, same build as you, there's only one you. So you're different, you're unique, you are original. Trust your work, believe in your work, and just grind through it. Easier said than done. Always easier said than done. And I've said it before in the video. The thing that you're facing, it can either make you or break you. It can either make you or break you. But to be remade as a new person, as an improved person, as the better person, you must first be broken.